Thank you guys for coming back for another day of Vlogmas. Here goes another Christmas video. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get started. Enjoy! And there you have it. Those turned out so pretty. Just something simple, quick, and easy. Thank you so much for watching another video. And guys, send prayers up for people who are depressed and unhappy and just demonic. You know, there are just some people in this world who are just truly unhappy. And because they're unhappy, they try to make others unhappy. They complain, complain, and complain. And I'm telling you, that's not what God wants from us. And all of that complaining and being unhappy, it just causes stress and distress in your life. It breaks down your health. So, if you have any toxic people that just think that they want to cause hell in your life, just send up prayers for them and just keep praying on them. Keep praying for them. Because I'm telling you, I've encountered so many demonic people in my life over my lifetime. And when I pray, prayer changes things. God usually moves those people right on up out of my way, or He moves me to a better place. So guys, I hope you have a peaceful Merry Christmas without any disturbance or interruptions. Be blessed, guys.